Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 16A Compass Drive in Seaford. This is a stunning property in a stunning location. We are literally 3 doors to Surf Street and it's a 200 metre walk and you're on the Esplanade looking at the ocean. It's a fantastic location, and this home being 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living, beautiful big alfresco, neat and tidy backyard with not too much to maintain but just enough to have a pet and those sorts of things is absolutely exceptional. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? There you have it, absolutely stunning home in a stunning location. It's got all the features you're really going to love, from the beautiful stone bench tops and the extra storage in the kitchen to this huge open plan living area. And having the second living space is an absolute bonus too when you're entertaining family and friends. I love the courtyard, I love the alfresco, but it's all about the location and the access to the gorgeous ocean right out the front of Surf Street. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.